3, 2, 1, here we go. Welcome to Bexley English Exam Papers Plus Test 4. So, first step, turn the volume all the way up. Now I'm going to lean back. This is the Comprehension, How I Write by Tim Lott. The first video I already read the entire passage together. So, in this video we will go through the questions. Let's see if we can do all 13. Here we go. Question 1. Which one of the following best describe Tim Lott's working day? Question 1. Are they being nice? Yes, because you should look at the first line. Quickly read that yourself. Don't be lazy. Read lines 1 and 2. What is the phrase? That gives us the idea. 5 seconds. No resemblance. So Tim, he's saying the average, my working day bears no resemblance to the average working day. So nothing like it. Typical means normal. No. It is similar to the average person's day. No. Ah, how interesting is that? A and B might be the same. Because typical means similar, and a normal working day is 9 to 5 for adults. B is also wrong because A and B are the same. C is very different to most people's day. Yeah, it could be. One day is very different from the next. Nope, he no longer works. Nope. So there we go. C is the answer. Question 2. What's the meaning of the word don? So line 3, I'll get a picture now. What does don mean? Here, I would not only sit at my desk for 7 hours a day. You have to get up. But don a suit to go to work. So it's just wearing this suit because that is part of the work. For his job, he might need a suit. Okay, let me just copy that and then use it here. To buy a suit? Nope. So we do it the same way. 1 means yes, 0 means no. This is the technique I use with comprehension questions. You buy a suit? No. You clean it? No. You iron it? Well, iron and clean are so similar. No. You press the suit. That means getting rid of all the folds. If you've ever worn a t-shirt, then it might not be smooth. It might all be jagged, so you need to press it. You need to iron it out. No. You put on the suit? Yes. E is the answer. Next question. Question 3. We're 3 minutes in. What was Lott most likely to be doing at 4:30 p.m. when in the early stages writing his debut novel? Debut means his first novel. Reproaching himself, that means criticizing with himself, complaining. Well, maybe part of it, because it did sound like he was wasting time. But at 4:30 p.m, no. At 3 p.m, you're ready to start working, and in 45 minutes, this dude, he just keeps going. So it's not A, he's not complaining about himself. Feeling fatigued, feeling tired? No. Early on, he was a bit tired from eating a big lunch, talking with his friends. He had a glass of wine at 2 p.m. He's not tired. Working. 1. Gazing outside, just staring and doing nothing? No. Feeling annoyed? That is quite similar to A, because if you are irritated with the amount of progress you're making, you might start complaining about yourself. He is not annoyed. He's in the zone. He's in a flow state, working from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. He is working. Question 4. Which word has the same meaning as invariably? I mentioned this in the first video. Variable means changing. So this is not changing. It's like always staying the same. The car is moving at this invariable speed, let's say 60 miles per hour. It is not changing. Sometimes, nope. Never, nope. Always, yeah. Often. It's got to be stronger than often because we're saying always. And rarely, nope. C is the answer. Next, question 5. Question 5, which of the following can we not deduce? That means not work out about lot from the article. With these questions, it is okay. If you're reading something and you feel a bit uncertain, you can skip these kind of questions. Why? Because they take a long time. It is up to you to check the entire passage. So in the real exam, skip question 5, do question 6 to 13, then come back. I'm teaching you test strategy, but it's a video we will discuss together. Not about a lot. He has experienced writer's block. He has. Because there have been times where he feels so guilty. Outbreaks of guilt. Do you remember that line from earlier? Outbreaks of guilt. Guy's got 7 hours to work and he's felt like he's done nothing. So guilty from having 7 hours a day at the office. His job is to write, but he's felt he hasn't written anything. So A, put 0. He has written both fiction and non-fiction. One of the earlier lines, it gives a book that he wrote, White City Blue. Non-fiction. This dude is writing journalistic pieces. Writing pieces talking about the news. So this person, Tim Lott, has written both. He lives in London. Well, do you remember what was the name of the city? The part of the city where his office is based. North Kensington. That's in the middle of the first page. Middle-aged. I don't remember any age. I know he's married to his wife, but that could be any age. We don't know. And he enjoys his food? Of course he does. Afternoon, had a nice meal with his friends, had a glass of wine. There we go. D is the answer. Next, let's hurry up a bit. We're 7 minutes in. We might do 2 more. Question 6. What does Lott compare his current morning routine to? Vigorous exercise. Working out? Doing a lot of physical exercise? No. A stint on social media. That means going on social media a little bit. Just going to put it here. This bit. I'm do a bit of tweeting. And maybe hustle for a bit of journalistic work. That means going after the work. Here. A stint, well, doing a bit of tweeting, so maybe it's B. See, a refreshing nap. No sleeping for this dude. A warm-up. Look at the last bit. This is the bit I got wrong when I did this passage. I forgot about the last frame. If you limber up, you're getting ready to do something that is more, that uses more brain power. So you're limbering up. It could be. And a walk in the park. That's a cool phrase here. You're comparing your routine to a walk in the park. Are you actually walking there, or are you saying it's so easy? That's why I was laughing at option E. Not today. There's no indication that this routine is easy. So there we go. It's either B or D. When I did it myself first time around, I actually put B because a stint means maybe he's just going on social media, just tweeting for 5 to 10 minutes. But no, you're warming up for the next big task, which is he's actually going to get to work by 3 p.m. That is when his work time begins. Okay, guys, that's it for now. We've just done questions 1 to 6. So, my normal way to end these videos. Top left corner will be the previous video, which is just reading this passage together. How I Write by Tim Lott. That will be top left corner. Bottom left corner will be question 7 to 13. When I released it, it will be in the bottom left. 10 minutes in, that's it for now. It is 5:38 p.m. in the afternoon on Wednesday, the 4th of September 2024. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.